Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove pages on Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store and go to your admin page. From here on your left panel, click on Online Store. Then click on Pages. From here, it will list down all the pages that you have in your store. Now, if you want to delete a page, you can do it in two ways. First is marking the page that you wanted to delete, and then click Actions. From here, you can go ahead and click Delete Pages, or you can just go ahead and hide it if there's a chance that you're going to put it up again. But let's just, for example, go ahead and do Delete Pages. Just click on delete one page. Now, if you want to delete more than one, just go ahead and mark them. If you want to delete all of the pages, just mark this one. Another way would be going into the page. Now, this would be very helpful if you're not sure if this is the one you're going to delete. You can review the information inside the page, and if you decide to go ahead and delete that, look for the delete page from here. If this is long, of course, you have to scroll down. Now, go ahead and click Delete Page and click Delete. And that's it. That's how simple it is to remove pages in Shopify. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.